So, hey, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. We haven't really had the camera out a lot. We've been doing a lot of relaxing down here at Lapine State Park, but now a very special treat. Teresa here is going to show you how she cooks one of our absolute favorite camp meals, and that is
cowboy pasta. I almost forgot what it was called.
Was that like a dramatic pause?
Cowboy pasta.
Yeah, cowboy pasta. It is absolutely one of our favorites. I don't know where it sits on the nutrition scale, but boy, when you're talking about comfort food out when you're camping, this is really good. It's not overly complicated. It's one of those things that you could just eat out of a bowl and everything. So I'm going to get behind the camera and Teresa will tell us what we need to cook this awesome meal.
Okay, so in the cowboy pasta, we've got our pasta, and I like to use the mini shells just because I like those. Then you're going to cook your beef, which is 3/4 of a pound, but I just use the pound because it'll be eaten.
No, that what we're cooking for six people.
We're cooking for 5.
Well, 5.
5. There's 6 of us, but one can't eat.
Typically 5, 6.
6. Then we're going to add some sweet kernel corn. We've got green onions, cherry tomatoes, and the mix is barbecue sauce, and then some red pepper flakes, some cumin, hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, spicy mustard. And then, of course, we're going to add some bacon. You're supposed to cook the bacon, but this is just easier for me, and then I don't make a mess, and then I don't have Jerry yelling at me. Cheese, and the one thing that I forgot to pull out was the mayonnaise. So the first thing we're going to do is we're waiting for the water to boil. So I am going to cut up the onions, and then we'll get going on everything else. Okay, so we've added a cup of mayonnaise. Now we're using barbecue sauce. How was your nap?
How much barbecue sauce?
1/4 of a cup of barbecue.
Is that an exact measurement?
Yes, but you don't have to do that. You can do whatever your little heart desires. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of spicy mustard.
Okay.
2 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard, which I don't, yeah, I guess it is. And then 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I'm not good at saying that word. Did I say 2?
You said 2.
Okay, and then it says 2.5 teaspoons of hot chili pepper or hot chili sauce. Now, I don't put that much in there because I do not want it hot. Whisk it all together. Go for it. Okay, so drain that, and then we're going to cool it off with some cool water.
Mikey, did I share this with the group? I took a picture of it at work not too long ago, and I don't remember whether I shared it.
Do the corn
Yes. Yes.
and tomatoes. And then, wow, that doesn't look like a whole lot.
It goes a long way.
We're gonna add all the bacon minus the. Hey, there wasn't one of those things in there. Okay. You guys are so quiet. And then I just add cheese to when I think I want to stop. Because if anybody else wants more cheese, they can have it. All right, and there you go. That is cowboy pasta. My favorite part. You can take the green onions out. I'll take the tomatoes out. That's probably a little over.
Well, we're back in the car again, and we are heading north this time, heading home from a absolute fantastic 3.5 days at Lapine State Park, one of our absolute favorite parks. Hope you enjoyed the cowboy pasta. We'll go ahead and put the recipe in the description, and you could try that yourself. We really like it, and it was a hit last night. Didn't show anybody eating it because by the time we thought about putting the camera on, it was gone. So and then, you know, this weekend was all about relaxing and just kind of getting away with our friends. So we really didn't film that much, but you know, that's how it goes most of the time. Getting the most out of your RV is just that, getting the most out of your RV. So you know, with that, any final thoughts?
No, I wish we could have stayed longer, but got to go back to work tomorrow, so
Yeah,
unfortunately.
we really need to get this one to retire. So
I wish I could.
okay, well, hey, if you like that recipe, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And of course, share it with a friend. And we will see you all in the next video.